How to use Nolo Small Business Legal Kit properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs assume the Nolo Small Business Legal Kit is a quick solution for business setup, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to compliance issues, costly disputes, or missed legal protections. The first mistake is not identifying the correct business structure. The kit provides forms for LLCs, corporations, and partnerships. Beginners who choose the wrong structure may face unnecessary taxes or personal liability risks. Another common error is incomplete or inaccurate information on legal documents. Business names, addresses, and ownership details must be precise. Beginners who rush can delay filings or trigger rejections. Many users also overlook contracts and agreements. The kit includes templates for operating agreements, employment contracts, and client agreements. Beginners who skip customizing these may expose their business to disputes or misunderstandings. Failing to understand state-specific requirements is another pitfall. Licenses, permits, and filings differ by location. Beginners who ignore these rules may operate illegally or face fines. Finally, some entrepreneurs assume the kit replaces professional legal advice. While it's helpful, complex situations like investor agreements or a protection may require an attorney. Beginners who rely solely on templates risk legal gaps. To use Nolo Small Business Legal Kit properly, choose the right business structure, complete documents accurately, customize contracts, follow state-specific requirements, and seek professional advice when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will start on a solid legal foundation.